Hello everyone, this is Fali. So in this video, I will show you how to use Maproom. So first make sure that you already have the Maproom installed, and this is the icon. So click on the Maproom and you have to wait for a while for it to generate and open up. Yeah, so it's popping up. Just wait a little bit more. Yeah. So when it pop up like this, you have to make sure that you go to customize and then unit setup. You have to make sure that your unit system is right, whether you want to use it as metric, miles, or whatever you want. And system unit setup, and I'm used to the kilometers, so I'll just use this one. Okay. Yeah. So back to Maproom. Maproom is connected with OpenStreetMap, so you have to make sure that all your building, you have to check with the OpenStreetMap website whether all the buildings or the place that you want to work on has contained all the buildings. So please click on OpenStreetMap, and then here the Maproom platform will pop up, and then click on Maproom OpenStreetMap, and after that you have to click on find location by name. So I'll just put Darkland since it is in my in another project of mine, and then look up the location. Yeah, it takes a little bit time to search. Make sure that you have the internet connection with that. It takes a little bit time. Oh, here it's coming up. Okay, so and then select it from the list and then press OK, select OK, and after that just click on update space, and here you can see the OSM001. Just click on that, and after click on it you have to set up the areas you want to work on. Suppose I'll just go with 10 by 10. Okay, and then the layer you can use and like select on any layer that you want to work on, but I'll go with full OSM because I want all the data to pop up. And don't forget to click on include point data, that like it has some elements like individual trees, bus stops, and many other elements. Okay, so this is in the location charts. So just click on download and draw OSM data, the yellow button here, press on it, and then guess you have to wait because it's gonna download all the data from OpenStreetMap, and then it will pop up the progress in this white bar chart here. It's taking a little bit time because all information will be downloaded from the internet within the OpenStreetMap website. You have to wait for it. Yeah, it takes a bit time. Oh, see, it's coming. The green colors indicating what has been downloaded. Yeah, so it takes a bit time, so make sure that just be patient. Yep, so you can see something popping up there. You can zoom in. Yes, so it's all the information there, but there's no height of the building. So you have to set something up here like the style sheet. So you have to go with system OSM style sheet, and then adjust the building height. I'll go with 8 which is my lucky number, and then click on apply style sheet, and you will have to wait again. Look at this one is the chart showing the progress, so just wait. And here is the layers of each building that has been added to the platform. Look at the map here. Yeah, many information to be downloaded, and make sure that you don't do any other operations, otherwise it's gonna freeze and you have to restart doing everything from the beginning. Yeah. So the information here, like over 100 shapes styled. Yeah, also the later the parameters pop up. I think it's done. Yeah. So here you can see all the buildings based on the OpenStreetMaps information popping up. It's all here, and then you can also adjust everything here if you want, like the layer and everything. Yep. So this is it. This is how you can use the Maproom, and then you can see like all the layout, like the greeneries, the landscape, the water, something like that. It's all in there, all the information, even the topography. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.